Hold on, now come. Girl, I'm running with your bag in. Drunk sex, yeah. She be touching on her own body. Let's say she wanna go to outfit. You know what that would be? Right? They got all drinks. They got $5 swerve, some shit. But I'm like. Go to 9. They say 9 good. Oh, God. Up top, you know they sitting already, you know. One of them knows that they see man is a peacemaker, man is a truthful, brother. You understand me? One time I come here, so I only come to talk facts. I'm going to just say, everybody have feed them time for up and everybody have feed them time for down. None of we not bigger than ups and none of we not bigger than down. You understand me I deal with? First off, Marvin the Beast, big up yourself. You feel me I deal with? Big him up. And all I know where I talk bad about him, suck on the mother. You feel me I deal with? Goal God, you're a pussy. You hear me I tell you? Goal God, yo, you a pussy. You a bitch. Oh God. You feel, brother, let me tell you, you a bitch. You ain't no killie. You ain't no, you're not a bad man. You're not a chop. You're not none of this, you're a waste man, Goal God. May I tell you that? Trouble dead, you know. Batty boy, Goal God, trouble dead. See, you never know, say, them boy, a batty boy, a nasty boy, when time they in the house saying, fuck you to Goal God. Oh, yeah, look so, Goal God. Goal God. Oh, yeah, go cause someone in your house, daddy. Big up Marvin. Marvin, big up yourself, Marvin. You want me tell you why, Marvin? Enough pussy hole where you see in a party, drive upside the here in a big car, and this, and that, they have nothing, Marvin. Marvin, let me tell you, Marvin, they have nothing, Marvin. Marvin, talk me. Marvin, make me hear your reason me charge it. Make me hear your reason me charge it. Bad charge. Come here, so make me hear your reason. Me charge it. Me and you out here. We're out here. We get the views them, right? Right, Marvin? We go viral enough time, right, Marvin? We have been places. We get bookings to Marvin. You understand? Marvin, and me and you are reason. Yeah, me charge you. We are reason. Fuck Goal God. I pussy that. We are reason like charge you, right? You know. Me and you are reason first. And then me go burn a fire. Pray now. Marvin, how much vlogger you meet already, Marvin? How much vlogger, how much famous people you meet already, Marvin? Marvin, between me and you, where they have, Marvin? Marvin, tell me where you go at the yard, go see them win. All of the people that want to cuss with you, everybody want to fight you down and not talk about say, from you jump up on people till now, you don't have a better, you don't have a that. Make we talk, Marvin, me and you. Other vloggers and people where you know what get the views them. When time you meet them in a real life, Marvin, what they have? Tell me what they have, Marvin. Marvin, tell me what they have. Because me and you know they don't have bumbo clot nothing. Marvin, talk out of your mouth, you don't bum. Brother, I understand, so you feel a little weird. Nobody ball, no feel no way, brother. No feel no way, brother. No feel no way. All of we drop Marvin here and all of we sleep on bumbo clot grung Marvin. How the bumbo clot here, Marvin? Marvin, no make nobody bumbo clot talk to your body, no Marvin. Marvin, kick them out of your bumbo clot face, Marvin. Marvin, the whole of we drop Marvin. Sleep on grung. Butter and blood clot dumpling. All of we. No make none of them pussy say nothing to you. All of the pussy they will show surveillance. I want to scare my boy there. Hey, Batman, go on. Hey, bleach out batty boy. Hey, waste man. Bueno. A IPR look. A IPR look. So you showing surveillance with somebody come out of your house with. Enough how we come out with garbage bag already. Suck pussy Goal God. How do you Goal God? Enough how we come out with blood clot garbage bag already. Pussy. Where you did that come from, waste man? Enough blood clot people did have things that now them not have nothing. I want to know. Pussy, how I do know? How I do know? Wanna have pussy whole one have, the whole one live in a blood clot rent house. Come show me your bumbo clot house title. Pussy, come show me your house title. The whole one always a contact. Oh, Freya jump up and get line now, you don't have nothing. Enough of them wanna sip on the bumbo clot internet not have nothing. Enough of them wanna sip on the internet viral and this and that. I wanna think that them make one bag of money, they ain't got shit. I don't know that too. Which one of them blood clot vlogger here, one of them dancer you see I drive a Maserati about ya. Which one of them you see? The young vlogger me see I make a big house at Jamaica. Big up Wally British. Big up Wally British. With her big house so she use her vlog money. Big up Wally. Big up bumbo clot Wally British. We are use that and I make blood clot house. And we bring down people in a life, man. You know, if you uplift on a bumbo clot self. You don't have none, you can't cuss with no blood clot body. Oh, I'm telling you. I have things, but I can't boast about it because I don't vlogging, give me. I have a whole heap of things that I can't blood clot hype on about. Ask my mother. Make sure tell you no. I have enough things that I can't hype about. Name for house title. I go up and upstairs at my house at Jamaica, you know, plan a draw out. A whole heap of things we can hype about. But I'm not vlogging, give me, so what I got hype for? You understand what I deal with? The whole I don't want to come on internet can hype in a clothes and hype so I drive when you look at idiot car them want to pay $200 and $300 a month for. And I say I make it and I say I reach. And then your boy a dirty boy. Who you too? Who is you if you bring down another human being? That's why none of your blood clot take help from people. Because it's not every hand stretch out so really want to lift you up a box. They want to box down your blood clot. You hear me I tell you no? Enough of them want to see a hype round, none of them have nothing. We not talk about vloggers alone. We are talking about artists too. Enough hairdresser girl not have nothing. Enough girl who are fucked down your place not have nothing. A whole heap of blood clot who not sleep on ground. You know better glad Marvin did sleep on 2 blood clot cushion. Someone not sleep on bumbo clot scandal bag. Someone not sleep in a car. Why we not talk? Make we talk, no make we reason. Enough of no hairdresser girl no live nowhere. Enough of the nail technician no live nowhere. Enough of no tech body girl no live nowhere. Enough of no live no blood clot. Where we catch. All of we are catch. Enough of we can get through out. What the fuck you not have? What the fuck y'all have? Wanna have? Wanna have? Come out with the bumbo class certificates. What do you have? What the paper them there? Oh, I'm doing no. When I think of vlogger alone and dancer alone, I have nothing. Now what the blood clot do no? No for the hot barber and hot blood clot hairdresser and hot girl in a dancer, them not have nothing. They not have bumbo clot nothing. I not care them sleep. Some people ground them sleep. When them left the club, them after them bra for do not buy the whole heap of buckle them. I ground them bumbo clot sleep. When it comes, how do you know? How do you know? You don't know how much people are sleep on blood clot ground right now? You know how much blood clot people? Girl, me sleep on ground. Me used to sleep on ground and me glad. It's good for my back. Because you don't know, so sometimes the back will make you, but you know the bed will make you know, give you a rough sleep. Me like ground. Me like ground. What wrong with ground? No good night sleep, me I get see me here. What do ground? What do ground? How what do ground? The whole I want to start by when a little blood clot idiot bedroom set them on I forgot. Remember say the whole we are slave and we hungry see them here. Remember say the whole we still blood clot hungry. Remember that? Marv! All of we right. Yo, you think so now we blood clot happy? We're not happy yet because we not get what we want yet. All of us happiness, we see it and know what it is, but we not get it yet. Stop going like. Stop going like. Stop going like.
Ate that stuff yesterday.
What the bomba do though? A ground we are going under. Ground. On the chest to bumbo clot eye. You not come go like, but oh, you viral and up on the internet. Oh, yeah, jump up and get. Oh, yeah, you don't think people got real lives and real problems and have things that they have to use the money and do? Like, him have a daughter when if you buy a crib, so fuck the bed. Me need the crib. So what? So what? So what? You know how much gal own 3 and 4 bed already? Because them have last year, so they never live nowhere. Them have left it so. And with they get to another place, they have to buy one more bed again. And still lose it, and they have to go to the next place and buy one. Girl, no, stop it! Oh, the whole I don't know what the fuck gonna think this is, Hollywood? Well, I will still have suffer people. What up? On a blood clot, yeah. All I will still have suffer. Which part on the bomb clot happiness? Are you happy? You were there, so I'm going to eat me now. Where you eat me, I talk now, right? You happy? Are you happy? You're happy. Everything in your life, good. You're happy. You're well set. You're good. You're not a problem. We should know can blood clot reason on to that. Not one on the hypocrite bumble can lift up on hand. How are you doing, girl? You know how much big juggies me see the back pan ground asleep? You know how much big artists drop right back at ground? No more hotness, no more money, no more of that, no more hype, no more of that. Yeah, that's that. A blood clot things make you happy. So if you bring up every minute me soon I bring down the brother ya. Who just always a bring down the brother ya? What him do no? What him do no to bumper clot bad mind. If him a jump up on girl and the girl them a take it is because them like it too. Leave don't knock no man bumper clot hustle. Every minute to no pick on the people and pitney. So why every boy asleep a bumper clot ground? How much I wanna sleep a ground? How much I wanna now come go on like? Yeah, you know? Yeah. Me no sleep a girl. Stop bumper. Come out on the pussy feelings, please. Me beg on me not looking at. Come out on the pussy feelings. Agree as Trillas tell her no. If I'm too high, Lord, bring me down. You hear me? Agree as Trillas tell her no. If I'm too high, Lord, bring me down. The whole I don't know a sky. Who no want there? Who not gonna drop? Fuck do no better than ground. Since you go like on a better than ground. Ground when I go back on a blood clot fever like. Ground fear. Ground. I ground you afraid of ground. What you get out of that? So you videoing it and putting it out there. What did it salvage for you? You felt some kind of, you felt good? It let you sleep good at night? You weren't sleeping properly before? You weren't? You understand me? So you had to? It was a deed of you. You had to do it? If you didn't have to do it. Hello? You had to, right? Because you want the spotlight. You want to reach from blood clot pink wall. You want it by YouTube. Because you like a career. What's up? What you do? Use others for strive over others for build up on yourself. As that you think is winning, that's not winning. That's bad mind. Huh?
Get it up. You too.
Yo, listen, I don't care about who for priorities not straight. Enough of with priorities not straight. Enough of with priorities not straight, but we still get up and do that. All of the girls get up and go party every night and picnic hungry and have nothing good for we around them, they're sitting there. And enough of with priorities not straight. Marvin is human, just like the rest of it. Enough of with priorities not nice. And somehow we take for with money go buy pussy more than we go take care of picnic them. Somehow we do this. And I'm Marvin alone. I'm not going like I'm Marvin alone. And I'm Marvin alone. Marvin is just one somebody. You understand me? Anybody can reach in this predicament. None of we not bigger than it. Believe me. Him need to look a real job. Well, let me show you something now. Dancing is his job, basically. As I say, I can't knock no man hustle. me can't pick for Marvin. He enjoys his job. You understand me? Keep it. You feel what me I deal with? All people have to do, I like encourage Marvin like, you know, hey dog, I know see you get a little thing them, you know. Yo, hold off that little bit. Sometimes it's positive people who are around we, you know. Without positive people, our lives can't be better. How we talk about better? If him not have somebody positive around him to say, yo dog, and I saw this for do man and her. If him have be a giggy clown back at him, you understand me? It just take that one person to sit and have a good conversation with you and say, yo dog, yes sir, and the right way. You will make the video them, I show the bag them with him and come out of your house. Why couldn't you just sit down and have a talk with him as a friend? If you love them as a friend, if you look out for him, all of them there's something, why don't you sit and say, yo brother, let me show you this now. This not real. Dog, you can't a party, so remember you have your youth. Let me show you this. Alright, do you look at thing. Well off this here right here, so I said this here for red and this here for tear. He has no one positive around him to motivate him to be. You feel me? I deal with. He dances. You feel me? Him tired most of the time because you don't know at 4 and 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock in the morning him go sleep and wake up to do it again. You feel me? I deal with. So at the end of the day, all we can drop, dog. Enough of we not have a priority straight, dog. Enough of we not alright, dog. We not good, dog. You know that too. Enough of we not have a priority straight. Sometimes I not have my own priority straight. Because me I buy weed. You see me? And my mother have you broke me now we say, oh, you have to hold on on that because it's a go bore you with your pocket. You see me I deal with? Because you go look on it like say, oh, I just weed. But it actually I take out too much money out of my pocket and I not to realize. You understand me I deal with? That is my mother then right this as a mentor if you tell me say, yo, alright, you see when you spend this year amount on weed, this year how much you spend for the year. Pan ganja. You understand me? All people need some people to motivate them, not bring them down. Not bring them down, dog. You understand me? Not bring them down. Video and shit I put on the internet, say you're dirty and in a room stink and in a that and that. You know what y'all do? You not motivate nobody. You ain't doing shit. You understand what I deal with? How about a little motivation? Hey, Fred, them what's up, mama? Motivate people. The time when I did that blood clot video, people and I wait for them drop for tell people say, oh, this is one you drop, you know. See video, yeah? Yeah. Before I motivate people, I want to wait till them drop for video it and send around. Well, you have some people have a lot of pride. Who you think are gonna just get up every day, come here and tell me, say, boy, broke still, you know. No money, you know, dog.
Go to the bathroom.
No one can't help me, please. Wanna see I'm gonna laugh off of Marvin. And I say, Ross, glad. Every day I'm a jump up on people. And this and we walk up big buddy. Ross. Wanna know that too. Wanna know that. Oh no, so wanna see when I go say, him a waste man, him a clown, him a this, him a that.
Why don't tell us what she said? She said
I hype you that the man there look, cause if you are your friend, there's no, boy, that's why I'm not ask nobody for help in a girl and boys. I'm not ask nobody for help, man, murder suffer. You understand what I deal with? Murder suffer. Because you see when they ask people for help, a them thing they happen. When you ask people for help at them thing that happen, then wait until you fall and show everybody. Rub it in your face. Rub it in your face. Some hands are not helping and them as a box and a hold down in a life. Me no bumbuckly to ask nobody for no help or ask nobody for nothing. Notice how all you see me come here, so I never yet tell nobody to put nothing in a cash up or send nothing come give me bumbuckler now do that. Me not do it. Cause I see you when I cuss and talk about, oh, and you always talk about shit and make me suffer in peace. Make me suffer quietly. Make me suffer by myself. Me alone know about my sufferation. Some only help you if you chat you. Some people, they are helping and so they can go run to other people and say, hey, I'll be a rent house then live in a. You can't choose somebody out of your rent house. Brother, what I'm doing? Me thank Jesus me no Oxfield. Me thank Jesus me no homeless. Me thank Jesus say yo, him bless me certain way. So me not forgot through certain things. Because I have them the kind of pussy that feel so out there. How me look for every human, me never yet look to one for help yet. Me always look to God. Because human being help people, them tear them down. You feel me I deal with? Them put out their hand for dry in, for hear your business, to come back and talk it. You understand what I deal with and bring you down. And video you and show the world. And that people come in your life. You see me? Ask God. If a tree you sleep, you not sleep under the tree by yourself, you are bumbuckler alone. And you alone can't chat. You understand me? Get up from under your tree early and go hold a beard and sit there clean and nice. Nobody knows under one tree you come from. You alone and Jesus. Till you reach the way you go. Because people will video you and put you out just for laugh. Just to say people, you see them are people and have nothing. You see them are drunk. You see them are people. Always remember that. You understand me? Nobody not truly help you. Them do it. Them do it for that. Them do it for con chat. Hey! Me no watch that public social media. Me know them in a real life. They don't have nothing. Them are drunk. Me not tell nobody nothing about me. You know? Because they now come bumbuck like this. Me. You see what I do? Me not have a friend that me go confide in about nothing. My friend and my mother. Anything when me have to talk out of my mouth, me go tell me, Mama, I shame if you hear it. You understand me? Yes. Make me mama cuss me about it. Because I know she not put me out on the internet and she not put me out nowhere. And she not show me out of the house. Make my mother. Yeah. I don't want to help for nobody. Yeah, man. If me suffer in peace. You understand the way I deal with? Me sleep under the tree, me sleep under there in peace. Me sleep under there in peace. Because people too wicked. Big up yourself, Marvin. Up, men's daddy. Your blessing now ever top. Don't stop dance, youth. All you need to do is just get positive people around your daddy. You feel me I deal with? Most of the people when see a gravitate around your youth, I just say hype. I just feel the light. I just see people see them and know them. You feel me I deal with? Get positive people around you who are going to help you. In your mind, not graduate with money or none of that. You have some people who sit down and hold some reasoning with you. It's when you hold the reasoning with them are the right thing that them show you the pathway. You feel me? Give you a good leadership. You feel me? I say, yo, you know me used to go through that, but this year the way how me come through it. And you feel me I deal with? Them do it to me. A whole heap of people they kind of come around me and gravitate just so they want to come on live and make people see them this and that because for them is a meal that, you know, as some kind of accomplishment, you know. You understand what I deal with? Yeah. Some Marvin get some positive people around your dog. I remember some out there love you, some out there hate you. But you say Prettii than a whole heap of ratings for you, my brother. Me no knock no man hustle, brother. You feel me I deal with? Them girl you want get jump up on, brother. Actually, you know them like it, brother. Them know what kind of money is, brother. Know your dancing thing, brother. And them come do it with your brother. Because them like it too, brother. You understand? No make nobody bring you down, daddy. And always remember this. If you're not hot, pussy not chat. You feel me? Alright.